Met Éireann has just issued a weather advisory for potentially stormy weather on Friday. Now, it's far from certain at this stage, so it's sort of just our initial warnings. A lot of people will be travelling. So Friday is the 23rd. So particularly now, it looks like the storm centre may track close to the northwest of Ireland, so the northwest most at risk, but we will be issuing updates, obviously, every day. Advisory is more, it's not quite forecast, it's more an indication of what might happen. So as it gets closer to the time, say in 48 hours, we would issue a warning. So it may be an orange warning in the 48 hours, but we generally wouldn't issue a red warning until about sort of 6 to 12 hours ahead, because you want to be certain. You don't want to be given false alarms. So, so you're right, we would never issue an orange warning a few days ahead, but we could issue maybe 2 days ahead. So hopefully we won't be